Hello, this is Daniel Gohstand. I'm a drummer and percussionist from San Francisco, California. I studied at Cal State Northridge and UCLA. I played all up and down the West Coast, from San Francisco to Los Angeles, down into Central America and abroad. I've taught as well. I'm an excellent click-track player and top-notch sight reader, and I excel in any genre, from Latin to jazz to funk to rock and roll. I'm bilingual English-Spanish and kind and dignified and fun, and I'll be an excellent representative to have on board interacting with your guests. Thanks so much.